Okay, David sir, please tell us.
Okay,
Yeah.
and last, I will give you my best wishes to all of you, to the lovely students, future leaders, hoping your responsibility to make the world a better place to live, and you grow up wisely, happy there. And I also wish the pandemic in India will disappear as soon as possible. God bless you. God bless everyone. Bye.
Okay, thank you. And Ashutosh, that time we couldn't hear you. What you wanted to say?
What?
Did you wanted to say anything? Did you want to say anything?
No.
Okay, I think he is.
I want to tell something.
Yeah. Tell us.
Last thing that I really want to thankful to you, the teachers, Hat ma'am, Krishna ma'am, David sir. Thank you so much. You gave us a lot of information, knowledge on this platform. We are really lucky to have meet with you. And my last thing that I have written is I want to share with you is work does not fix anything. We have to fix the work. So with a smile, we will fix the work and we will really make you proud that we are a student, we will bright a future. Thank you.
Great.
Wow.
Great.
Great message. David sir, did you hear?
Yeah, great message. Good. Fix the world.
Great.
Okay, your responsibility.
Yes. You see, we are internationally connected. India, Tunisia, America, Bangladesh. How many countries together? How many international leaders together? How many cultures together? This is our effort. This is our contribution. This is our actually guidance. And this is our motto, to be united wherever we are. Don't you think, Karishma, in this way?
Yes, I feel there should be more number of students, and once we can keep a question answer session and all and make it more interactive. Okay, and it is like once we should also keep that you all teach us something, because it is never like we are adults and we should make you teach. Even nowadays children are more good in technologies and more good in knowledge as well, and new latest development things we can learn from you all. So sometimes we can keep such sessions like interactive sessions, some game sessions, or some entertainment sessions like this, and we can enjoy more like this. Okay. Yes, Monira ma'am will plan, and we all are with her, whatever she plans.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, great. Rajani Pandey, I can see one new person. Who is that? Can we see you, please, Mr. Rajani Pandey? We all can see one name, Rajani Pandey. I don't know who is our international leader. Rajani Pandey, can you hear us? Rajani Pandey.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome. A lot of thanks. And Hayat,
yes,
thanks a lot. You have connected from Tunisia. What is your feeling about today's session? We are connected globally today.
I'm very delighted. You are marvelous. And the last thing to say is to congratulate you, to congratulate these flowers today with us, who have sent their fragrance, very perfumed fragrance, and I feel it. I'm breathing this air, even if through Zoom. I want also to send my best wishes to the pupils who will pass their who will have their baccalaureate exam. I am really with you, and I want to see this courage giving fruits. You have been very interested to your lessons. You are working hard, and I wish you will succeed, and you will your dream will be exhausted. And I thank every teacher who has built my personality. To thank every parent who is trying to do his best for his children. I thank every human being who never cease never cease to help others by all means, materially, psychologically, or every field. So I will end this session by expressing my heartfelt congratulations and my prayers for you, every one of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It
Thank
was
you,
great
Meghna.
Success.
Meghna has
Yes.
joined. Thanks, Space Tunisia. Meghna, do you like to have anything to share right at this moment? We are connected since 4 of your time. From 4, this is 5 hours. This is 5 hours. We are all together. What is your feeling, Meghna, today?
Actually, this is my new experience. First time I'm going through this, and because of you, I dared to come and to speak on, and yeah, so it was literally very good. I observed that it's literally very good to share our experiences, and yeah, lot of things I learned today. So many experiences, good experiences, memories. Yeah, I should say I loved it, literally.
Okay, thank you. Because Meghna was, Karishma, today Meghna, when I was sharing with her about this session yesterday, she was very much afraid and she was, not very confident. She was asking me how I can speak to international leaders, how she can share her views. She was not very confident. And Hayat, you remember on our first day, the
Of
same
course. I said to my pupils that I have had the very difficult exam, and I think and I wish I were I was successful.
Yeah, very much successful. And you know that today why we are programming this session. Do you have any idea? Can you, Karishma, do you have
Yes.
any idea why we are organizing this sort of international conference? What is your view? Why we are doing this?
See, basically, first of all, I don't know the reason behind your organization, but to develop each other's knowledge and to create awareness of some things, and if I have a good knowledge, and if the other peoples have good knowledge about their successful lives and all, they can share with the students to motivate them. And Meghna, I'll tell you, do not ever hesitate to speak in front of any international guest or speakers and all. As long as your self-confidence is alive with you, okay, you can even speak to the president of your state and prime minister of your state as well. Okay, so do not never degrade your self-confidence. This is the first key you should always remember. Okay, and you were extremely successful. So huge round of applause for Meghna as well. Come on, she tried and she is successful. Yes. Good work, Meghna.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Yeah, Ashutosh, I want to know about your feeling. How did you enjoy these 5 hours? 5 hours.
It was good. I enjoyed giving answers.
Okay, okay. I want to know about Neha and Divyani. Neha and Divyani, how about your feeling? This tiring feeling. 5 hours for staying together.
First thing, it was a conference, but we didn't feel like we are talking to someone, a new person. We are talking to some close friends like that. So it really appreciate to you that you make us comfortable for this conference. Second thing is that from this conference, our this motivation and our encouragement, all things have increased because of many person who have speak to us, then who have given us a lesson that how we have to be as a student, as a leader, or as a living in a person in a society. So it was really a big for us. And third thing that you gave us a question, means the question which you have asked, that make our mind to think more and more. Yes, this can be also answer, or we have to think beyond our things, that yeah, this was the situation we are facing day to day, but as an answer, as a presentation, it should be at a level that yes, you are giving an answer, it should be at a level. So you gave us that opportunity to speak at that level, a platform. As a student, I'm really grateful to you that you gave us a platform. Hesitation, then we are scared, of course we are scared that we are speaking on a platform, how people will react, how they will think, but you didn't make us to think about the people, you make us to think how you feel to speak. So thank you for that. We get so many knowledgeable things. Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome. And Karishma, do you know one thing, that in our this session, class 2 student has spoken, class 6 student. Ashutosh, you are also 6th standard, right?
No, 8.
8, okay. 6th standard was Dina, and Dina was in 6th standard, 8 in Ashutosh, and 10, I think, Divyani or Neha. Divyani or Neha, right? Who is 10?
Divyani 10th, Neha 11th.
Okay, so 10, 11,
Divyani is
and
in 10th and Neha is in 11th.
Divyani in 10, Neha is in 11, and Meghna, she is in 10th, right?
No, I'm in 11th right
11th?
now.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, you are so senior than me even.
No, I'm not senior. I'm smaller than you.
Okay, okay. And Karishma, did you feel that a lot of people around with us, regardless of age, regardless of their religion, their cultures, and a sister from Tunisia, USA international leader, David sir with us, and you are an international model. How do you feel? Because this is multinational cultures with us.
You know, Monira, I regret I was not there for 5 hours. I regret I was just for 1 hour, because I love sessions. And when we used to study, there was no such things like online sessions and all. There was no much such things and all. We are studied like only the book and theoretical studies. There was no much interactive session, no speakers to train us and all. Okay. So I really feel that if that time was such a time, we used to study from the books and all, and we used to learn from it. But nowadays, you people have such wonderful opportunities. Lots of interactive sessions are
Right.
there, lots of speakers are there, lots of tuitions, lots of teachers, lots of motivated speakers, lots of YouTube videos to learn from it, and many more interactive things you have. So enjoy your studies. But it's definitely your call, how you have to focus on your studies and how well you have to progress in your life, because studies, it will lead you towards a better lifestyle as well. That's my experience. I'm a gold medalist in English literature. Okay, so I know
Oh,
how much efforts it takes, and how much the work hardships it takes to get a gold medal. I really know. But at that time, we don't have such interactive sessions to make such a wonderful study or make study things very easy for us. Okay, it took lots of hardship. I think Monira must have faced such things. I think many of them, Hayat ma'am or something, have faced such things. We don't have such qualified teachers at our time too, but then also we are successful. But nowadays you only think, students, how much pressure you are having, so you can excel in your life.
okay. Great speech. Meghna, you have learned
Yes.
from your mother a lot. I saw your mother today, Karishma and Hayat. Today, Meghna's mother was, for some moments, she was on the live session with us for some
Yes.
moments, few moments only. And I could see a beautiful face. Meghna's mother is so beautiful. I'm really feeling great about her, that if a mother is so beautiful in heart and in her face and in her real life, her daughter must be a great human being. Don't you think so? I am appreciating mothers. I'm grateful to Karishma's mother. I'm grateful to Hayat's mother. Grateful to Neha's mother. And grateful
Thank
to
you very
Meghna's mother. That wonderful children our mothers has brought to us, that they are shaping future right now. They are creating new reality right now, global leaders. Karishma, please convey my regards to your mother.
Sure.
Hayat, a great honor to your mother also.
Thank you very much.
And I'm expressing my heartfelt gratitude to my another sister, Neha, Divyani, and Ashutosh's mother. I saw her, and I am expressing heartfelt gratitude. Neha, Divyani, and Ashutosh's father and mother helped us a lot. My children and my sister right now in India, but I didn't ever feel they are alone. They are not with their parents. India, I'm a big salute to India, a big salute to my international community, that you made me feel we are united together. Together we have a great bondage and we can create many things. Meghna, please convey my regards, salam, and heartfelt
Actually,
honor
Mama
to your mother. Can
actually
she
she's
speak to us?
yeah, she wants to.
Yeah. Can you give it to her, please?
Yeah, sure.
Hi.
dear. Hi, dear.
Hi.
How are you? A great section. And thanks to you first, because you manage this type of the section. It's a very different for all daughters. I'm not mother of only Meghna, also mother of Nahar, also mother of Divyani. I am the mother of everyone. Okay.
Very nice to meet you.
I feel
Yeah.
proud.
Yes. And not only she is my child. Every child is mine. I am mother of every children. Okay. And I am very proud that I have a daughters, right? And woman is a great, it's a miracle of the God. Woman is not a shy, these things. She is my daughter, and proud that she's talking with you, attached with you. You discuss with her your experiences. She discuss with you her experiences, her life experiences. These things are very future life for her. It's a great honor. I am very surprised. Whatever this type of programs, every time you manage this type of programs to motivate the children, to motivate the women, to motivate the students. Okay. And everyone,
Do
for
you
every
know?
girl,
Do you know behind
I'm
of
proud
us,
of you,
Karishma,
to all of
international
you.
model is there. and international leader, our sister Hayat is there.
Yeah.
And
Thank
you saw
Yes.
perhaps our international leader, David sir from USA. He was there.
Yes. I am great honor. Okay, thanks for everyone. Thanks to everyone. Such a nice program that is, and I'm proud to all the children's daughters, and thanks as a, whatever there is a group, every time you take type of this section, okay, dear, and both of you are doing very good, very excellent. God bless you. Okay, and
Thanks a lot.
I congratulate you.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Love you, dear.
Madam.
Oh my God, love you, miss you a lot. Okay. Enjoy your sections. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. And success is behind on you, waiting for you only. Okay. Believe yourself. Everything is possible in life. Okay. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. You have a guts. Okay. Trust on yourself. Okay. And Meghna also enjoying a lot.
Yeah, actually,
Thank you. Thank you
Karishma
all
and
of you.
Hayat and the beautiful mother of Meghna. If a mother
Oh
is
my-
like that, I
Yes.
am here to be proud of all the mother. They are the
Yes.
actual winner of the universe. My big
Yes.
salute, my respect and honor to all the international mothers. I want to
Yes.
promote their hard work. Karishma,
Yes.
please send us the name of your mother, Hayat. Send us the
Yes.
name of your mother. And
Yes, of
dear mother of Meghna, I want to congratulate you that you have a beautiful children. You have
Yes.
a
Thank you
beautiful,
very much.
beautiful
That's
leader,
very
future
touching.
leader. All the
Yes.
hard working. I want to appreciate all the mothers. We want to appreciate issue certificate and issue great honor and ambassador, international ambassador. I want to nominate them. So please
Thank you
send
very much.
the name of your mother, each of you, Neha, Divyani, and Ashutosh. I want the name of your mother also. And today we want to celebrate all the mothers of this international world. That a big salute. You are marvelous hero. Our mother is international marvelous hero. For them, we are here. So a big salute to all the mother. I'm feeling right now, Karishma,
Yes.
your mother should be more beautiful than you. I believe so.
She
Your
is,
parents
really
are
she
the-
is.
Yes. And your parents, your mother, father is role model for you. Okay. Nothing in life. Take your parents' experiences. Your mother, she's suffering every second for you to become a good person. My children becomes a good person, a successful businesswoman. Okay. Their blessings are with you, and don't disturb yourself. Go ahead. Everything is possible in life. Nothing is impossible in life. Okay. Be human. Be lives humanity. Okay. That is your first priority. Be good. You wanted to be a good leader, no? To follow your parents experiences, to follow their struggles. Your role model is your parents only. Nobody is your
True.
role model. Okay, your
I'm
mom,
agree.
your father, they sacrifices in their lives for you, for your good life. You feel proud to them. You have to feel proud to them, to every children's. Don't go a wrong way. Don't disturb yourself. Okay, everything is possible. Believe yourself. Help to everyone. Okay, be in humanity, what my Meghna said to. Okay, because I'm discussed with her every second, she's discussed with me. There is a bonding with you and your parents. Okay, you have any problem, discuss with them and go ahead for your future. Okay, and feel national proud, feel nation proud. Okay, to be a successful person first. Okay,
Thank
and God
you.
bless you. Continue your sections and good sections. Every time this kind of sections comes true, I request you this kind of sections every time you're done. Okay. Okay, chalo. Take care. And lovely moments are in my life for 4 5 hours. I'm enjoying a lot. Okay, I'm listening. Every second I'm listening.
Thank
Okay,
you.
dear.
A big salute.
Continue.
Big salute to mother. And Karishma, I want your parents' picture so that we can appreciate their efforts. They have brought a great children like you. And Hayat, please send us your parents' photo so that we can appreciate and issue international award certificate for mothers, parents.
Thank you. Thank you.
Neha
To your
Devi and
mother
Ashutosh, please send.
Monica,
Send also. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
Monica, you were little emotional when talking about mothers and all. It feels like you also were missing someone, when it comes to the talk and all. But be rest assured, because you are the daughter of each parents now. Those who are sitting over here in this session, you are the daughter of each one of them as well. You are a part of family of each one of here, and you are the most precious part of God's. You are the most precious part of divine. Okay, so just I
Thank
need
you.
your beautiful smile once again. And we have done this session for motivating students, so we can always skill up all the sessions with our beautiful smile. Remember, the God is always with you, like your family.
Karishma, you are so powerful. Hayat, you are so powerful, my sister and Meghna's mother. I want to say great thanks. And Ashutosh, you are
Thank you
you are
very much.
tired.
She will be very, very happy to know about that and to know that you are saying such great words. And I want to say something so that every time I call her, I feel very calm, peaceful. No other voice can make me so peaceful than that of my mother and my father.
True.
I love them very, very much. And I'm waiting to see them very soon.
Okay.
All the best to everyone. And I feel empathy towards those who who are missing their mothers or fathers, to parents also who have lost one of their children. That's very, very sad, but that's very encouraging, since we find many people who have many sadness in their life, but they are very active, they are very helpful, and they never stop offering their good vibes. I thank everyone who lives a difficult situation, and he can overcome this situation and go on and give from his self when he has nothing to give, but he extracts what is essential to send it to others. Very thankful to you. Your smile are so shining, and that makes my day shining and beautiful. Kisses to you, and very happy to be with you today. Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us, and this was wonderful time. And I would like to let you know one thing. Can you see me right now? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So the thing is, here we have started this platform with international leaders, international teachers, educators, and our beautiful students together, so that we can encourage them, we can project future leadership together. Karishma, a big thanks to you, dear, my dearest sister from India. Hayat, I cannot say anything. I don't have any words to say thank you. And Meghna's mother who was with us. She is such a beautiful lady in heart also. Please believe that we are sister by heart. Whenever ask me that, do you know Karishma or do you know Hayat? I say to them, yes, they are my sister by heart. And Neha, Divyani, and Ashutosh, Meghna, all of our international students, we would like to convey greatest regards to your parents, and we want to project you see how the international leaders, they are combined hand in hand together. As you can see, you can hear from Tunisia's sister, Miss Hayat, you heard about Karishma, you heard about David sir from USA, and Arun Kumar also. Arun Kumar Sharma was there. You heard about their life's journey, their guidance. So I think with their powerful speech, Karishma is so powerful, Hayat is so powerful, and Meghna's mother, they are the actual real life international hero. You should learn from their experience. Please show gratitude from your heart. Please convey your regards, and we want to conclude this session. This is for the 5.5 hours right now running. so we have patience, we have great motivation, we have great power in our soul to be united together. Okay, whenever you need us, we will be there for you. International leaders and heroes, be powerful, be courageous, and do not ever stop. Do not ever face any kind of such, as you see, our Hayat, our Karishma, they have guided you. Please follow meditation, follow the power of your religion. And Meghna's mother has already conveyed so beautiful statements. We are really, really powerful today. We are feeling so grateful to all of our international leaders. So thanking all of you. Can we say bye to everybody now? Are we
Bye,
okay to
thank
bye?
you.
Monira,
Yeah, Karishma. Karishma.
do we just take 5 minutes? Can we meditate and pray for the entire world, those who have lost their lives? And we should keep quiet for 5 minutes, and we can meditate for 5 minutes. Do all of us have time for 5 minutes to meditate? Okay, I just came from the meditation, and I thought to make you show the power of meditation. So can we just meditate
Yes.
for 5 minutes?
One moment, Karishma.
Yes.
I am actually initiating the fresh session for our motivation and that prayer. So I am giving you the link. Just we
Okay.
are concluding this official session here, and
Okay.
prayer
Okay.
session after 10 minutes break, because they need
Okay.
break also. Okay, is
Okay,
it fine
done,
with you,
done.
Karishma?
Yes, it's fine with me. It's fine with me.
Yeah,
It's
prayer
fine with me.
session, meditation session after 10 minutes. So you can have the break time to have water, to have tea or fresh room break, whatever. Okay, thank you.
Right.
We will meet you after 10 minutes for prayer session for the world. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
Oh.
you. Bye.